if you want to browse the web, you make sure you're connected to your router either by Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and then you just grab a web browser of your choice and you're done. You can now search the web as much as you like, and these websites are run with HTTPS and JavaScript. When you install Windows, your OEM will immediately install the TCP/IP protocols and adapters, which saves time. What if I could tell you that networking wasn't as easy? This era goes all the way back to the early 90s when the internet was just at its peak. The specific software is Microsoft Disk Operating System, or for short, MS-DOS. The software to that made personal computing become a reality. So now I'm going to show you how you can set this up by using VirtualBox. So yeah, just right after today's sponsor, the like and subscribe button. Go click it there, please. So to do this, you need 4 files. Firstly is MS-DOS, which is the operating system, and then TCP, which is how we will enable all of the internet protocols, and then this is a packet driver, and then Arcane, which is a browser. So yeah, so now we will go and we will make this. So then we press new, and then MS-DOS, and then we'll give this 2 gigs of RAM, and then we do this, then we go into settings, and then storage, and then we go and we add a disk here, and put this onto the disk, and then we start. Just watch what I do here. So yeah, press enter, and it's going to restart, and now it will ask for disk 2. I may have showed you how to do this BM4, but yeah, this is how you do it. Now you remove this, then press enter, and now we have MS-DOS. So MS-DOS is just a shell. You can see the files by doing dir. So yeah, and edit is sort of like Notepad. So hello, hi. Anyway, but so now we are going to install these things so that MS-DOS can become more fun. So we go and pop this into here, and then we go to the A drive, then install, enter, and then you go and remove this and go to reset. So now these files can be inserted. So an example is this one, which is so firstly we want to change our network to bridge adapter, and then do reset for just in case. So then we will go and extract these just like that, and we'll make 2 folders. One is just clear. Let's do MD drivers, and then MD and TCP, just like that. And there they are. And we'll go. So firstly, we'll insert this one, and to do that, we go over to disk, choose and create a disk image, and you do this, and you pull this over there, and then you do D, and you do copy. Then we want to copy over this MTCP. So now we can start to set up our. We need to make a bat file. So we do edit pkt.bat, and then here we do echo off, and then C, and then we point to the packet driver, which is like network driver. So yeah, .com, and then we do int equals 0x60, and then we do F, and then save, and then go out of it, and then you want to run this, and now it gives us a MAC address, which is awesome. So now the next thing to do is to go into, if we do it just clear, and do this, and then we want to go into MTCP, and then here there should be a sample file. If we do edit sample.config, it's not here, so we have to get out here, I guess. I'm gonna go into D drive, dir, copy, do C GCP, and then press yes, and then do C dir, and then we do edit sample .config, and then here we go down to host name, and we can give this our own name. So like for example, we can do retro PC. So now we go to alt F, and then save as. So we do A, and then do tcp.config, and press enter, and then close. So now, if we do http.exe, so now we need to set a variable. So we do set mtcp config equal c mtcp dot we do tcp dot config and press enter. So now we do that again, and now it should work, hopefully. And bam, we now have our things here. So ping google.com, try this, and it works. Let's go. We have the internet working now. So now you can do a lot of things now. If we do dir/w, and there is a bunch of programs to which we can use, and one of those things is an FTP server, which is awesome. So yeah, and then there's telnet, which is awesome. So we're going to try and connect to a bullet inboard system, because they are really cool, and they're a precursor to the modern web. And one of the ones here is AI's geek. So we're going to connect to a BBS system, which is a very cool thing. It's like a forum website, but instead this is through MS-DOS. So to do this, you first have to be in MTCP, and then you do telnet, and then 107. I'm doing Batcave, and this is this is how you get into it. I've already made an account on this, so I don't have to do much things here. I just connect, and I do. Gonna have to reconnect again. So I just added my normal IP address, so that's good. Anyway, so now we can try and connect to this again. Hopefully it will work. So telnet and 107.87.32.8023. And now we're in. So we do our name. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do my password, which no one will ever know. Alright. UMC, I've already done some lines here in the past. Hello, I'm Minetheground, and I am using VirtualBox. I'm gonna say yes to. We press no, which will bring us to electric mail. There's one message. Say yes, and it's that welcome one. And here is the main menu. If we do /W, it will show who's online. Optimus. Optimus? Is this a real Optimus from YouTube? Oh no! That would not make sense, right? Anyway, /N. Hello. There are much better ones out there. So I got this from here, and you can go and you can go and check out just do G to quit. Yes, and it will do this thing, and it will end off. So you should be able to find better ones than that one, because I don't think there's a lot of players. Connection, telnet. Anyway, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one.